So today's stock pick is pretty basic. Today I'm just going to tell you should buy Amazon stock. Um, Amazon is a basic company that sells things. They have online marketplace where people buy and sell products. Um, Amazon reminds me of like in those old Looney Tunes cartoons with like Roadrunner and Wile E. Coyote. Wile E. Coyote always bought his stuff from Acme. Like everything was Acme. It was like Acme Dynamite, Acme. Everything you got was from Acme. Well, Amazon is like the Acme of today's world. People just buy all their stuff from Amazon, and you want to be in the you want to buy stock in the company where everyone is buying their stuff from, because you might say, "Oh, that's too obvious of a pick." You might say, "Oh, Amazon is a monopoly, and the government's going to break them up." You know what? The government might break up Amazon in the same way the government broke up Microsoft. But Microsoft was not a bad company to buy just because the government broke them up. It means they were a slow growth company. If you owned Amazon the past, I mean, if you owned Microsoft the last 20 years, it would have slowly gone up. But yeah, the government probably is going to break up Amazon, and it's just it. You know, if you're a stockholder, you're probably going to be disappointed with that. If you're the CEO of Amazon, you're probably going to be disappointed if the government broke them up. And it's not like Amazon's not like a romantic stock to buy. It's not like, oh, there's this wonderful story of Amazon, man, and it's a wonderful story. It's not like some intricate thing. They just sell a lot of stuff that people buy, and now they're trying to buy MGM, and the government has to approve of MGM. MGM, you know, is owner of James Bond franchise. I think James Bond is the biggest MGM franchise. Amazon wants to make more movies, and particularly they want to make James Bond movies, and they want to own all the franchises that MGM has. And if the government approves of that, that's really going to help Amazon. If the government does not approve of that MGM purpose, then it's really going to hurt Amazon. And you want big companies, okay? In today's world, you want big companies because big companies are going to dominate the market. There's going to be like five companies that are going to dominate the whole United States market. And the bigger a company is, the more you can rely upon it. The smaller a company is, the more likely they're going to go bankrupt. Because big companies buy small companies. The only problem with Amazon is they're going to be broken up by the government pretty soon. Or they might be broken up by the government pretty soon. Or the government might not allow them to buy MGM. And the government might say, no, you can't purchase MGM, and no, you're going to have to expand on your own, and you're going to have to build your own movie studio, and you're going to have to do this and do that. And that's okay, because Amazon will figure it out. Amazon's a really good company. They have really good management. I don't think Jeff Bezos is the CEO anymore, but I think he's probably still on the board of directors. But, you know, Amazon knows what they're doing. And if you want a reliable company, I would invest in Amazon. Again, it's not like a super romantic company. It's not like some like crazy thing or whatever. But they're in a lot of different areas, and they're a growth company. They're what you call a slow growth company because they're going to have slow growth moving forward. They're not going to have a lot of fast growth. Amazon's not going to have a lot of fast growth moving forward, but they're going to have slow growth. And you want to invest in companies that have growth. You want growth in companies. You want companies that are moving towards things, that are achieving things, that are changing the world, and Amazon is changing the world. Maybe not as much as Tesla, maybe not as much as Google, maybe not as much as Twitter, but Amazon is changing the world. And maybe it's about the investments Amazon has made in the past 10 years more than it's going to make in the future. But I do think Amazon is a really good company because if you ever go to Amazon.com, they have a lot of products. Amazon has a lot of products for sale, and they have a lot of things to buy. They have more things to buy than any other company. Their warehouses are huge. If you want something, you go to Amazon. You don't go to Walmart. You don't go to Target. You don't go to your local grocery store. You go to Amazon. Now, yes, some things you get the grocery store. Some things you get the gas station. Well, Amazon are making other types of stores too. They're making their own supermarkets. They're making their own other types of stores. Amazon's making their own retail stores too. Not that that matters, but from a technology company, Amazon is going to be very strong moving forward. They're going to sell a lot of things. They have more things in their stores than any other type of company. They're a growing company. They're going to have more retail. They're going to have more movies to watch on their platform. They're making video games now. The last video game that they made was a success. They finally made a successful video game. They spent years and years trying to make a successful video game, and they finally made, what was it called? It was about like the 16th century in North America, but it's like a fantasy version of it. I don't remember what it's called, but it looked really cool. It looked like a really cool video game. So Amazon is making good video games now. After making like 10 bad games in a row, they finally made a good video game. I mean, they're putting a lot of money into this stuff, and they're investing in a lot of different areas. They have cloud services they're offering. They're competing against Microsoft and IBM in cloud services for businesses for backup data. Amazon is in a variety of different places, and Amazon will give you a variety of different things. You go to their website, go to the store, you can find anything you want. You can find anything you want from an Amazon store. They're a much bigger variety of stuff than you go to any other store. You go to the mall, you're not going to find as much stuff at the mall as you'll find on Amazon. Amazon, you'll find much more stuff at the mall. I wonder if they'll be a participant in the metaverse. I don't know, but they're going to try. Look, I'm not telling you Amazon's the greatest stock in the world to buy. I'm not telling you they're going to go up 1,000,000%. I'm just telling you they're going to go up in the future. They might be broken up by the government. They might crash and then burn and then regrow like the phoenix or whatever. But I think they're going to be fine. I think Amazon's going to be fine, and it's not that complicated. They make a lot of money. They make a lot of revenue. Maybe it's not profit. Maybe they reinvest that money into the company. And maybe higher interest rates is going to hurt the company, but it's still a good company to buy. It's not like rocket science. I'm not like telling you rocket science that you should buy Amazon, because obviously they're a good company because you buy everything from Amazon. It's obviously good. It's not like I'm not like some like genius telling you to buy Amazon. It's not. It's just a good stock. That's it. It's just a good stock. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about Amazon stock? Do you think they're a good stock, or do you think they're a bad stock? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about buying Amazon stock? Please subscribe to this channel, be part of the community, and please like this video. It really helps the channel out a lot. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.